Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Cosplay. It's time for another video, and today I want to show you how you can make your own gems with resin. With resin, you can cast all the gems that you want. Your imagination is the limit. So if you want to know how you can make these gems, then keep watching this video. In the last video I showed you how you can make your own gems by first claying them and then using silicone to make your own mold. So if you still want to know how to do that, then be sure to check out that video. And today I'm going to show you how you can cast the gems. So let's go! First you need some resin. You can use any brand that you want, and just be sure to read the manual on the box. This one has a can and a bottle with some hardener. Also use some gloves because it is a nasty product to get on your hands. I use a screwdriver to open the can, and this is how the resin looks like. Then I need to pour it in a cup for mixing. And because I'm using the whole can, I can just pour it all in there. And I try to get as much out as I can. And then I need to add the hardener. I can just add all the hardener that I got with this, but you have to read the descriptions on your own resin to know how much hardener you need. Then it is really important to mix the resin thoroughly. And this mixing takes a while, and be sure to not mix too quick. The video is quicker because then you will get air bubbles in the gems and you don't want that. Then you just pour the resin in the mold really carefully. The resin takes a few hours to cure, so you have some time to do this, but it's best to do this really fast. Well, not really fast. Right after you mix the resin, because then the resin is really liquid and it will give you the best results. Just keep pouring the resin until you fill all the gems. Here I'm also using some other molds because, well, I made the whole can of resin, so I still had some left. And these molds I made earlier for another costume, but the gems are really nice to use in a lot of costumes, so I just make a few so I have them in stock. So here you see the cured resin. One of them has a little bit of color in it, but that color was not really good. But now I just take them out with my hands. And as you can see, they are not really shiny yet. These are, however. But most of them are not really shiny, but once they fully cure, then they will get shiny after all. So I just put them somewhere to rest. And look, they are clear right now. These are the ones that we made the clay shape for and the mold in the last video. They look super nice now, super shiny. But they have no color yet. So we still have to give them some color. There are different methods. I love the method with nail polish. I just put some nail polish in the desired color on the back of the gem. And that shines through the gem, so it looks like it's fully colored. But it isn't. But it looks like it, and it gives a really nice shine. I keep adding layers of nail polish until I like the color. So mostly I use 2 or 3 layers of nail polish on a gem. That will mostly do the job. Yep, looks nice. I'm happy with the result. Because only the back of the gem is colored, you can see that it is actually not colored if you hold it on the side, as you can see here. But that's okay because you mostly don't see it in the costume. Another method to use to color gems is to use acrylic paint or different paint. First I use some glitter nail polish And then I use some green acrylic paint, and the result for this is really shiny, bright green gems. These are the ones I used for my demon hunter costume. It's shiny! So now you know how you can cast and color gems like this. I really hope it was helpful, and yeah, that it will help you with your own projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye! And if you didn't watch the video about how to make the molds yet, then go watch it now. Or watch it again if you already saw it, because why not? Watch it again, because it's cool. Bye bye!